Hey guys, it's Jordan Jonas Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of this e.l.f. Lined in Lovely eyeliner set. So if you're interested in that, stick around, and if you are brand new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, hit the bell notification when you subscribe so that you don't miss another video from my channel, and let's jump the fuck right into it, bitch! So I'm going to hop right into this e.l.f. kit. I got this for $4.99 yesterday at London Drugs here in Canada. I was literally just going in to get a black liquid liner, and I saw this little gift kit, which is literally $4.99, and it is cheaper than any other liquid liner that was even in the store, and you get 2 liquid liners and a pencil and a sharpener. So today on my face, I am not wearing anything that is in here. I just did a basic mascara, and I have some smoked out eyeshadow underneath and on top of the lid as well, so that there is room to put all of these products to the test. So basically I wanted to start out with taking them out of the package. So this is the pencil. Right off the bat, it's a little bit short. Why don't we just put this right to the test? So I don't need to show you guys how pencil sharpener works. I'm sure you already know. Now, before we apply a pencil eyeliner, I always want to warm it up on our hand so that we don't murder our eyeballs. And I'm just going to go in. I haven't done anything on the waterline of my eyes, as you can see. So I'm just going to use this black pencil, and then I'm going to do the waterline. Now, when you're doing your waterline, they say not to pull down on your eyes ever, but girl, I always pull down on my eyes. I'm gonna age prematurely anyways. Let's get real. Also, I don't normally do black liner on my waterline because it makes my eyes look even smaller than they already are, but we're just gonna go for a sultry look today because we're putting a bunch of eyeliners to the test, so why not? This is what it looks like with the waterline done. It went on super smooth, super easy. It's actually nicer than the other ones that I have, so that is super nice for a freaking liner that comes within a 3-piece kit for only $4.99. CHEAPEST! And just because we can, let's put this little pencil sharpener to the test. Oh, and it works. So in case you were wondering whether the pencil sharpener works, it works. Now that's done. Let's go in, and we have these 2 liquid liners. Now, why don't we just do one color on each eyeball? Because I'm not going out anywhere today, so why not? So I'm going to start off with this Expert Fluid Liner in the shade Midnight, and I'm going to use that one to do my right eyeball. This is what it looks like. The component is pretty basic, and it has just the standard liner wand. And let's put it to the test. So I apologize, my camera actually died when I was in the middle of applying that. So my first impressions on these liners, I actually like the blue shade better. It just looks better on my skin tone. The black one dries a little bit matte. I find that if you just wipe off a tiny bit of the excess product, these apply way better. They're a little bit goopier, wetter than most eyeliners that I'm used to working with. That being said, overall, not bad for the price point. $4.99 for all 3 of those products. I cannot complain at all. So to me, this is a no-brainer. The e.l.f. Lined in Lovely eyeliner kit is obviously getting the Sparks seal of approval. Even if I'm not 100% satisfied with either of these liquid liners, at the price point of $4.99 for 2 liquid liners and a pencil with a sharpener, you can't even literally get a sharpener for $4.99. So obviously this gets the seal of approval. Are these my favorite eyeliners in the world? No. Will I use them again? Yes, because they're just super basic. Whenever I'm going to need a liquid liner, I'm going to put them to the test. I will probably use this e.l.f. pencil a lot more, even if just for the sharpener when I can't find the other one when I'm reaching for it. But that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, then like I said at the beginning, make sure to subscribe. and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss another video. And that is it for this video. And as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys.